Okay, so the last week or so has been absolutely mental, as everything that I'd kind of put off until after the end of financial year, both personally and professionally, has just hit me at once. So as a result, my brain is just a little bit fried. So I've decided when it comes to this week's video, I'm going to apply the KISS principle, the keep it simple, stupid principle. And I'm going to pick the most basic, short and sharp video topic that I can possibly come up with just to make my life easier. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, today we're going to talk about the bicycle network overlay. Now, this overlay is in place to allow council to essentially require land dedications and the upgrading of facilities to fill in intended bicycle networks. So it's triggered when it comes to high use applications, we're talking like subdivisions, units, commercial, all of that sort of stuff. And like I suggested, it's there to basically allow council to improve, finish out, round out, what's the word I'm looking for here? Fill in, let's go with fill in. Fill in the gaps in that network or that planned future network at no cost to them. So yeah, if you're doing a housey type application, you do not need to worry about this overlay. Now, that covers off everything I want to talk about this week. Like I said, possibly the shortest, sharpest Friday video I've ever done. Until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.